How to use the EmergeHUB. You want to be a part of the next big thing. You've been to the product conferences and soaked up everything you could at the trade shows. You've been to the education conferences and learned from the top experts on all the top theories about driving successful businesses. You've been to the symposiums and listened to the top talent debating their experiences with success, failure, and what you should do. Now, you just want to cut through the crowds, find the missing pieces you need, get the right people onto the right team, and get to work growing a world-beating business. But you're not in a traditional entrepreneurial center where everything is on your doorstep. So, we have to do it smarter. Emerge partners talent and investment around novel intellectual property to create scalable businesses. These partnerships are formed through the EmergeHUB. At EmergeHUB.org, ventures can find expert assistance based on their listed professional biographies and a listing of all Emerge ventures they are currently assisting. Individuals looking to join a venture can search for venture names and their red, yellow, green status, and can drill down to see what projects require assistance, who the project managers are for each project, and who the teammates are for each of those projects. Registering to use the EmergeHUB is as simple as visiting EmergeHUB.org, clicking Sign Up, and filling out the Sign Up form. Anyone who wants to participate on a venture, add a venture, or invest in a venture must register to be a user of EmergeHUB. The EmergeHUB form requires an active email, the selection of a password, username, and entering basic biographical data. You may put any information you would like into your biography. Please note, individuals looking for services, expertise, or investors will use the biography, LinkedIn profile, and any website you provide to find appropriate partners or service providers. There's no limit on the length of your biography. However, it is recommended that you keep it tailored so it is enticing to those types of ventures that you would like to be a part of. When entering a website, you must use the complete URL, including http://. You may select any picture for your profile picture. Please click the button to choose a file, select that file from your computer, and complete the process by clicking the Register button. A confirmation message will be sent to the email you provided. Your account will not be active until you check your email and click on the confirmation link contained in the email. If you do not immediately find this email, please check your spam folder for an email from info@emergehub.org. After you have registered, you may log in by clicking Login and entering your email and password that you provided during the registration process. If you have not clicked the confirmation link in the confirmation email, a message will appear when you attempt to sign in. Please check your spam folder if you cannot find your confirmation email. Once you have completed the registration and confirmation process, you may log in by visiting emergehub.org and clicking Login. Here you will enter your email and password as submitted during registration. If you have forgotten your password, you may click the Forget Password link. Once you are logged in, your name will appear at the top of the screen and your Edit Profile button will be active on the People dashboard. You may edit your profile at any time by clicking the Edit Profile button. To make changes, please modify any element and click Save. To work on or invest in any venture on the EmergeHUB, you must first join the team. To join a team, please click on the venture you're interested in and click on the Join Team button. Once you click Join Team, an email will be sent to the project manager with your contact details. It is the project manager who is solely responsible for vetting, approving, or denying any Join Team request. If you have an existing business that you would like to take in a new direction, a piece of intellectual property that you would like to commercialize, or even just an idea that you're looking to fully explore, you may register any of these as ventures on the EmergeHUB. To propose a venture to the EmergeHUB, visit the Ventures page, click Have a Venture, and enter basic details including venture title, description, and logo if you have one. Once you click Register, the venture details you have provided and your contact information will be submitted to Emerge for consideration. If the venture description you have provided is not sufficiently complete for Emerge to make an assessment of the suitability of the venture for the EmergeHUB, the Emerge team will reach out to you for further information. Once it has been determined that your venture is appropriate for the EmergeHUB, your venture will be approved, you will be notified of this approval via email, and your venture will then be accessible to any registered user to join and participate. Once you have been approved to join a venture team, all the Emerge project tracking features will now be visible to you. These can be found by expanding the venture you are now a teammate of and expanding any of the projects that are within that venture. Under each project are listed tasks. Any work you perform on a task is recorded as an update. Within each update, you provide the amount of time spent, the work performed, and any relevant attachments. All other project team members will be notified via email when an update is entered. Therefore, updates can be used to carry on discussions about problems or issues as they come up associated with each task or project within a venture. You may attach any type of file to an update, such as Word documents with marketing plans, images of a test site, or Excel spreadsheets of calculations. Once attached, any file is now accessible to the rest of the project team within that task update or in the library. The venture library is below the project listings, contains all file updates, and is accessible to all venture team members. Work on a venture is divided into projects which are composed of tasks. By clicking the New Project button, you may enter the name of any new project or task. To create a project, do not select a parent. To create a subtask, select either a project or task to which this will be a subtask. After selecting a start date, end date, and privacy level, clicking OK will enter this task into the venture. Until changed, the project or task manager will be its creator. To add team members to a project or task, click Add Team Member and select the team member. The member will be notified by email of their addition. If the scope of a project or task cannot be understood from its title alone, an update can be used to offer further description. Under the project or task, click Add Update, enter 0 hours, and provide any description and attach any files required. Any project or task with a public visibility level will be accessible via the calendar. Clicking on that project or task will take you to its location in the Venture page.